Hello everyone, this is Crystal Campbell here, and I'm here to give you our last week in Module 15 reflection. So the first question is, what are my thoughts of gaming in education? So my thoughts of gaming in education, I just feel like it's a nice way to just kind of bring some sort of fun into the classroom, just a different way to learn. I know growing up in school that we would use gaming as a way to kind of do a review, but as a class. So, everyone kind of needed to know what was the topic or the content in order to help your team out or individually help yourself out, depending on what kind of game it was. The next question is examples to use in the classroom. I think that ways to use games in the classroom, one example would be for like vocabulary. I feel like I would kind of work my way up if I was the one teaching. Just kind of give the students, if there's a vocabulary test on Friday, then, Monday through Thursday, first half of Thursday, we're going to review and get to know these words. So Thursday afternoon, we can do some sort of fun activity so everyone's feeling kind of confident about going into their test the next day. From there, I think, I don't think that having a game in the classroom is losing focus on the content, nor is it bringing, it's not just for the entertainment. I think that it's just trying to help the students build their confidence, and not only that, but it gives students a chance to interact with their peers. And so, breaking off into groups and having to strategize and think together, I think that's one way why just doing something different and bringing a game, into the class every now and then is kind of useful. So, what template did I use and what kind of game did I make? I used the Jeopardy template, and I made like a history lesson out of it. For me, it was, the template was okay for me. Creating the game was fine. There was a moment where my numbers weren't popping up when I clicked on them, and so I wasn't seeing the questions. Some of the questions and the answers weren't popping up, and so I kind of sort of had to start all over, which was, okay. I didn't complain about it, but other than that, I had no issue with creating the game, and the template was pretty much easy to use. Examples to use PowerPoints in the classroom. I think that we can use PowerPoints in the classroom for any type of situation. Even if it's math or something, and having kids break off into groups of 4, and the first 4 people, from each group are going to come up, and an equation's going to pop up, and the first person to solve it, is going to get that point, and then we're going to switch, and the next 2 people, the second person from each group will come up. So just trying to find ways to make gaming in the classroom fun but still educational. So, I just think that it's just a fun way to let the students have time and let them just be themselves, and not, having to look at a textbook all day when trying to learn or study for a test. So, thank you.